Dear students, my name is Sir Kumel, and today the topic of my lecture is Systems and Units. In today's topic, I will teach you about SI prefixes, and I will teach you how we can convert one prefix into another prefix. First of all, you look carefully the table in which there are three columns. First column is multiplier, second column is of prefix, and the third column is of symbol. In the column of multiplier, 10 raised to the powers are written. You can see the highest power is 10 raised to the power 18. Then the 10 raised to the power 15. Then 10 raised to the power 12. 10 raised to the power 9, 10 raised to the power 6, 10 raised to the power 3, 10 raised to the power 2, and in the last, the smallest power is 10 raised to the power minus 18. Now look the second column. The second column is of prefix. What is the prefix of 10 raised to the power 18? The prefix is exa, exa, exa. And the symbol for exa is capital E. You can write exa or you can write capital E before the unit. Yeah, what is the definition of prefix? Prefix is a word which is used before the unit. The prefix for 10 raised to the power 15 is peta and the symbol is P. The prefix is for 10 raised to the power 12 is tera and the symbol is capital T. Tera is mostly used for terabytes, the unit of memory. Giga, gigabyte, mega, megabyte. And the prefix for 10 raised to the power 3 is kilo. Kilo is widely used in our daily routine life. Like if you talk about the unit of the mass, which is gram. Kilogram is widely used in daily routine life. You purchase the milk in kg, and other items, food items and other commodities are purchased in this prefix. Like the unit of length is meter, so you use the kilometer. So kilo is widely used in our daily routine life. 10 raised to the power 3 is the multiplier and the prefix for 10 raised to the power 3 is kilo, and the unit is, and the symbol is K. You can write KILO, kilo, or you can just simply use K. It's the same. Okay, you can write kilo before the unit, or you can simply write K before the unit, like kilometers. 10 raised to the power 2, the prefix is hecto, and then deca. Now the prefix for 10 raised to the power minus 1 is deci. The prefix for 10 raised to the power minus 2 is centi. The prefix for 10 raised to the power minus 3 is milli. Centi and milli are widely used, centimeter, millimeters. Milli is also used before the unit of current, like milliamperes. 10 raised to the power minus 6, the prefix is micro. Micro is used before the unit of capacitance, microfarad. Farad is the unit of capacitance. Nanofarad, picofarad. 10 raised to the power minus 15 and the prefix is femto, and the last prefix is atto. So this is the table. Now we will convert one prefix into another prefix by using this table. First of all, I will convert the unit of power, watts, into different prefixes. What is the unit of power? The unit of power is watt. Or you can simply write W. Now the question is, question is 1 kilowatt is equal to how many watts? So 1 kilowatt is equal to how many watts? First of all, you have to write the prefix, you have to write the multiplier for the prefix kilo. The multiplier for the prefix kilo is 10 raised to the power 3. You can see on the other side there is no prefix. It means you are just converting kilo into watts. So if there is no prefix written with the unit, then the multiplier is 10 raised to the power 0. No prefix means the multiplier is 10 raised to the power 0. Now what you have to do, just subtract the power of 10 of lower prefix from the power of 10 of the higher prefix. What is the higher prefix? The higher prefix is kilo. What's the power of 10? The power of 10 is 3. So 3 minus, what is the lower prefix? There is no prefix. So the power of 10 for no prefix is 0. So 3 minus 0 is 3. Now put this 3 into the power of 10. So it will become 1000. This is the difference between the two prefixes. This is the difference. Difference between the two prefixes. Difference between the two prefixes. So 1000 is the difference. Now recall one thing which you were taught when you were in school. Teacher always says, student, if you want to convert a higher value into the lower value, then you just have to multiply. And if you want to convert the lower value into the higher value, you have to divide. Here in this question, we are converting kilo into watts, kilowatts into watts. Kilo is a higher prefix, is a higher value. Its multiplier is 10 raised to the power plus 3. So we will multiply by 1000, which is the difference between the two prefixes. So here difference 1000 will be multiplied by watts, so it will become 1000 watts. Okay, so the answer is 1000 watts. Dear students, solve another example. In this question, we are converting 1 milliampere into how many microamperes? Remember, the unit for current is ampere. The SI unit, standard unit of current, is ampere. 1 milliampere is equal to how many microamperes? First of all, write the multiplier for milli. The multiplier for milli is 10 raised to the power minus 3. Now write the multiplier for micro. The multiplier for micro is 10 raised to the power minus 6. Which multiplier is bigger? The multiplier of milli is bigger than micro. Why? Because 10 raised to the power minus 3 is greater than 10 raised to the power minus 6. Power minus 3 is greater than power minus 6. So milli is a higher prefix than micro. Now we have to calculate the difference between two prefixes. What will we do? Difference between two prefixes. To calculate difference between two prefixes, you will just subtract the power of 10 of lower prefix from the power of 10 of higher prefix. The higher prefix is milli and its power is minus 3. The lower prefix is micro and its power is minus 6. So minus 3 minus minus 6, it will become minus 3 plus 6, and the difference will be 3. Now put this 3 into the power of 10, so it will become 1000. So the difference between milli and micro is 1000. Okay, now in the next step you have to decide whether you have to multiply this difference or whether you have to divide with it. Now see, in this question you are converting milliampere into microampere. Milli is bigger than micro, so we are actually converting bigger value into a smaller value. So we have to multiply 1000 with microampere. 1000 multiplied by microampere, so the answer is 1000 microampere. So 1 milliampere is equal to 1000 microampere. Thank you.